this Super Bowl Sunday, a little story popped up that I thought I wanted to talk about a little bit with you guys, and it's about Star Wars. So it's Disney related. It's about Star Wars. It's an article I saw on Screen Rant today, and basically it says that Star Wars. This is a rumor now. This is nothing confirmed, just strictly a rumor. Star Wars is reportedly planning a new post-sequel trilogy on the Jedi Order. Rey, I guess, would be rebuilding a Jedi Order, like something that never, that failed under Luke Skywalker, the Disney sequel trilogy. Look, let me just back up real quick. You guys know how I feel about the Disney sequel trilogy. Don't like the movies at all. In my own personal Star Wars canon, they don't exist. So, anyway, just wanted to throw that part out there, make sure that's fully understood here first. But yeah, so it looks like the rumor kind of would revolve around that. Now, this seems like a pretty loose rumor, like not. I don't know. I don't take this one too seriously, but it was interesting just to see like that there's some talk of some post Disney Star Wars sequel trilogy future, like that even Disney is possibly thinking about doing something that would tie into their sequels going forward or something. Because I mean, we know how we know how The Force Awakens was received, which was it was received pretty good at the time, but then once Last Jedi came along, it maybe most decisive movie ever in Hollywood. And then Rise of Skywalker, just, I think most people just understand, was just not a very good movie at all. So anyway, trying to build on that sequel trilogy, it's just interesting. I think a lot of people just felt like maybe that's never going to happen or something. But this rumor comes from a former Vanity Fair reporter, Joanna Robinson. And I guess she said this on the Ringerverse podcast. And she states she heard whispers that Lucasfilm is actively developing a new trilogy that tackles a revamped Jedi Order. It says, that being said, the journalist also reminded fans that you can fill this is a quote, you can fill an entire stadium with ideas Lucasfilm has been interested in, but never realized. On one hand, she's saying that, that she's heard the rumors of like a sequel trilogy that focuses on rebuilding Luke's Jedi Order, or just a Jedi Order in general, not Luke specifically. But then she also says, that there's a million ideas floating around out there that will never that'll never see the light of day, like stories that'll never see the light of day. Me personally, I hope this one never sees the light of day. I think a lot of you guys probably feel the same way if you're watching this video. I just prefer to leave the sequel trilogy is what it is, and I don't need to revisit it. I don't want to revisit those characters. I don't want to revisit that timeline. I just want to see if we do something new in the movie realm with Star Wars, something different. I don't need to see the Rey, Finn, Poe, or their dynasty or whatever. However, this would build off of that. I just not interested at all. I've said before, that's one of the reasons why I don't really enjoy going to Galaxy's Edge, because all it does is make me remember those movies. And to me, these movies are my Godfather 3 non-canon Star Wars or something. So anyway, that's pretty much the gist of it. So I would take this one with a grain of salt, but it is like the first thing we've heard, as far as I know, like that there's even like a discussion about what would be, not future Star Wars movies, but future movies attached to the Disney sequel trilogy. So apparently there is maybe something going on out there, some rumors swirling, or I'm sure there's definitely ideas within Lucasfilm to do something, but I'm just not sure how well it would be received. Who actually, I don't know. Not Daisy Ridley's fault or anything, but the story of Rey just wasn't interesting. I don't know. The Finn one just, it is what it is. And the Poe story, I don't think a lot of people might feel the same way. Like, I don't know that there's people sitting around like contemplating what would have happened to these characters like we do with Luke, Han, and Leia. I mean, think like there's like whole Star Wars, what am I trying to say? Like fan novels and fiction and everything. We always try we spend hours online talking about these characters and what could have been or what might have been. We debate rumors and stuff, but I just don't see that based around like Rey, Finn, and Poe. And I don't know I just don't know who really wants to go back and revisit them. Time for something new. Just something more fan friendly that we would all enjoy. But anyway, so that's it. Just a quick little quick little video here. So yeah, there's a rumor out there that maybe there's a Rey focus. I don't know if I'd call it Rey focus, but I mean, obviously she's the one that, if it's tied to this trilogy, she's the surviving Jedi. or Sith, depending on how you want to look at it. She's a Palpatine Skywalker, Sith, Jedi, whatever. She's something. And she would be the one, I guess, that could guide the new, like build the new Jedi Temple or new Jedi Order, or whatever their plan would be, how they would plan to do that. So anyway, I just thought I'd share the story, guys. I want to say thanks all new subscribers out there. A lot of you guys have been subscribing as of late. We are doing a lot more of these little videos from the house, from the studio, just talking about Disney's news and stories, and obviously Star Wars as well, because Star Wars is Disney. And of course, we're still doing our videos from the parks. I've actually got a bunch of dining reviews to upload. We went back to Tusker House. We were just over at Nine Dragons, had an amazing meal at Nine Dragons. So I have dining reviews for all of those. And actually, as we speak, I'm going to wrap this video up because I'm getting ready to head over to the Yachtsman Steakhouse for the first time post-pandemic. So there'll be a dining review of that coming as well. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on all the super fun content, news, videos from the parks, and give the video a big ol' thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, wrap on the video. Guys, talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Bye.